She a cute little baby though. Every time I see her, I be like, man, there she go. Got a nigga, but she kick it with me on the low. Sex game got me wanting it like every morn. She really turned me on and never keep no panties on. Damn shame how she got me searching through my phone. Cut back my host on her some nights, I do just chill alone. Nigga be waiting for that John Hart ringtone. Who booty is it? And I know the way I feel is wrong. Fucking with me might just break up a happy home. Can't say it's love, but what it is, it be very strong. Makes me wanna hit it raw and keep it in my home. She stay wet like somebody left the sprinklers on. So flexible, plus she can last long. I love the way she sex me when she in that thong. Keeps me sweating like I just ran a marathon. Baby girl be the reason that I wrote this song, and the reason that this cheating shit I do condone. Feel like a dog that just misplaced his favorite bone. You know the one that I really like to nibble on. When I be in my zone, my thoughts just seem to carry on. I wanna change the tattoo on her right arm. I wanna be a protection from like any harm. I got a 40, baby girl, fuck a house alarm. I be the house alarm and the one to lean on. When I'm with her, it seems like all of my mean gone. When she with me, it seems like she just like to scream and moan. Told me that she can't do it when she be in her home. And her touch keep me standing like a city cone. I belong to you, you said it best was wrong. And I always be a boo like Kelly Rowland song. But I be off in the closet just like the R home. I never thought in the beginning it would last long. A few weeks to a month, then I would move on. It's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. See the nigga that she with, better hold on. Cause if you fuck up once, she never coming home. I have a duck down deep where all phones wrong. She sipping on some shit to keep her in her zone. She know that I be the type of nigga she can't clone. But she wants to, I do the shit he don't do. Like let her control the music when we slide through. I never yell at her cause she got an attitude. I know that's just an extension of the last dude. She love my pillow talk cause it come out very smooth. She loves when I'm aggressive, she say it's so cute. I always leave an impression that's so far from rude. She said I run under someone, she don't remember who. I gotta have it, baby, I can only speak the truth. Not many out here could take it, therefore I talk to you. You got a man called babe, so I be your boo. Every time I get with you, it feel brand new. Wish you can see it from my eyes and from my point of view. No matter how good I rap it, I just ain't getting through. I deal with it cause I know one day you'll see it's true. Until then, baby, we just gon' continue to get closer as we meet up in these venues. Low key, cause you don't deserve them issues. Can't show it much to know I really miss you. You can call me, baby, whenever in this Zoom. Long as you know it, baby, he ain't gotta have a clue. Too busy in these streets, fuck it, I swing through. Ain't nothing but it creep, niggas do the same too. Look at it like this, baby, you deserve a breakthrough. I'll be the cue, mama, I ain't even talking fool. This ain't a game, baby, we don't have to follow rules. Because I'm playing how to get you just to break loose. Yes, I don't understand because I don't walk in your shoes. I'm coming strong because I know for you I have to. I know it hurts because I've been down that path too. I swear to God that you only know the half boo. I put the pressure on you cause I know I have to. I'm about to spaz too cause I know it go from there. The sort of pain that makes you feel like it's like it feel. They have you walking in the rain searching for some air. They have you talking to yourself like somebody there. Before it happens, baby, I'ma let you know I care. My bloodline be strong, I know that I'm very rare. You're very special, mama, you and I should be a pair. Without your baby girl, I am just a hemisphere. I need you in my world, you're the other half, I swear. Give it a chance for an old school, call it a dare. You need some time to relax your nerves, I'll be the chair. To take the weight up off your feet, you know I'll be there. Ain't trying to rush it cause I know we got you kinda scared. But I don't see it cause for all things I do be prepared. Your heart is beating and the reason is you gotta tear. Let me be your doctor, you need emergency care. Think about it, lady, I will take you anywhere. It doesn't matter, baby, you just get up out of there. Stretching to the point you think about cutting your hair. Fuck that, nigga, you need to be right here. Be right here, ma.